Today we're gonna make hot dog burnt ends from Hay Grill Hay. So we have local hot dogs from local beef here from Bingham's Custom Meats here in Morgan. So the beef is raised like 5 miles away from our shop.
Yep.
Process it, make great hot dogs out of it. So these are all beef hot dogs. They're $6.99 a pound. They're really good. So they come, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a pack. And so with these packs, so you don't have to get your scissors out, you can just slide your hot dogs down a little bit. There's a little tear right here. Pull it open. And then we're gonna put them out on our tray to make hot dog burnt ends.
Yeah.
These hot dogs come in all beef. They come in cheddar or cheddar jalapeno hot dogs. Shred it across the top. Yeah. I think summertime is hot dog time, right, Walker?
Yep. Because it's hot at summer and it's hot dog for hot dogs. They're rolling around in the mustard puddle.
So we've got them on the grill for about an hour, and we're gonna pull them off. Take a look at how they look. What are you doing on them, Walker John? What do you think?
Look good.
Look good. We're gonna throw it back on the grill at about 370 and stir it every few minutes and then pull them off after everything's melted together and it's a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
Been on there a while. I've stirred it like every 3 minutes. And so let's take a look and see what they look like. Walker, what do you think?
Look good.
They look good. They look hot, huh?
Yeah. There's so much smoke. So much smoke.
Lots of smoke, huh? Okay, so shut this down and go inside.